Well guys, just letting you know, I traded a couple of days ago my ICOM IC706 for two Yaesu FT767GX base transceivers, one of which has a 2-meter module, and one of the radios was working perfect. This one, on the other hand, the transmitter is not so good. The radio is not generating any power, and or I should say it's generating some power, but very little, like mere milliwatts, 100 milliwatts maybe from the PA. So I'm going to be doing some troubleshooting on this radio, and it just so happens I have a second PA board for this radio. It was given to me when during the trade. This is the PA module for this radio. It's actually a spare. It's actually a spare PA module for the radio. Apparently, this one was supposed to be working, or the one that's in it is supposed to be working, one or the other. And we're going to check out a few things, because if the new PA is in that radio now, it's still not working. So basically, we're going to be checking a few voltages on the board, mainly the 13.5 volt voltage input, as well as a 24 volt, and see if there's any actual switching going on the PA board, as well as see if there's any power being generated from the pre-driver in the 767, because obviously if there's no power being generated from the pre-driver in the 767, then obviously there's no power getting to the PA, so what's the PA to amplify? Absolutely nothing. So of course the PA board won't work. Again, if there is a good PA board in that, and it's still not working, which it ain't, then it is possible we could have a voltage problem going on with it. Could be the 13.5 or 24 volt, as I was saying before. So that's another project in the works, along with everything else. So I've got a few videos to put up, or I should say, to record. And so there we go. Just figured I'd just give you that little update, and we'll see if we can get this beast working, because quite literally, this is a beast. This thing is what I would call a boat anchor, and it's quite big. If anybody's used to the 767GX, and just to give you an idea of the size of this thing, I'll put a AA battery on top of the radio, standing up. That's a AA battery. So yeah, she's quite big. Anyways, if you're interested in watching this series of videos, then again, stay tuned, and we'll see how it gets going. Alright guys, I'll just end this video now. I don't want to bore you too much with it, but that's how she goes, I guess. Alright, 7351, all the best, and catch you in the next video for the Yaesu FT767GX. All the best, and take care.